don't know if the other two videos I'm gonna post are real ones, like alive ones. My sister's been playing, guys. She's always playing on it. Dude, what the heck is over here? Dude, she's making me so mad. Just look what she did. Let's just go by roleplay now. We're gonna be doing something different than the last time. Hi. Hi. Oh, hey. Hey, girl. Come here, kitty. Well, nothing really. I've just been hanging out at this house. Oh, okay. Well, I'm going in her room now. Oh. OMG. Oh, her. Hi. Hi. I'm sorry about them. Oh, no problem. It's okay. I'm sorry, it's okay. I'm actually not. Yeah, I get that. Okay, girls, get out. Yes, sis. Sorry about them. Oh, it's no biggie. You sure about that? Okay, fine. I don't actually do good with kids. Like, they like show up my butt all the time. I get it. Okay, well, sorry about this. Look, you go sit over there. I'm gonna be cleaning up here. Oh, okay. That does surprise me. Says she don't like cleaning. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, guys, this one was just short, so bye, guys.